Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you dreaming of naturally glowing, youthful skin without breaking the bank or resorting to harsh chemicals? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, yet effective natural anti-aging skincare routine you can easily do at home. We're going to focus on a fantastic face mask using ingredients you might already have in your kitchen: honey and plain yogurt. Why these two? Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, keeping it plump and hydrated. It's also packed with antioxidants that fight free radical damage, a major contributor to aging signs like wrinkles and fine lines. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid, or AHA, that helps exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing brighter, smoother skin underneath. It can also help improve skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines over time. Together, they make a powerhouse duo for promoting a youthful complexion. Making this mask is incredibly simple. First, grab a small bowl. You'll need about 1 tablespoon of plain, unsweetened yogurt. Full fat works great for extra moisture. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Manuka honey is fantastic if you have it, but any raw, unprocessed honey will offer benefits. Mix these two ingredients together until you get a smooth, creamy paste. Now, before you apply it all over, it's always a good idea, especially if you have sensitive skin, to do a little patch test. Just apply a small amount to your inner wrist or behind your ear and wait about 15 to 20 minutes to see if any irritation occurs. Better safe than sorry. Okay, assuming your patch test went well, it's time to apply the mask. Make sure your face is clean and dry. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply a thin, even layer of the honey yogurt mixture all over your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Now, just relax. Let the mask sit and work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling from the lactic acid, which is normal. After the time is up, gently rinse the mask off with lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel, no harsh rubbing. Follow up with your favorite natural moisturizer if you like. You should notice your skin feels softer, smoother, and looks brighter right away. For best results, try using this mask once or twice a week as part of your regular skincare routine. Remember, natural remedies work gently over time, so consistency is key. Also, keep in mind that everyone's skin is different, and what works wonders for one person might not yield the same results for another. This is a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle, including good hydration and sun protection, which are crucial for anti-aging. This information is for educational purposes and isn't a substitute for professional dermatological advice if you have specific skin concerns. So, give this simple honey and yogurt mask a try and let me know how it works for you. Did you feel the difference? Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And if you found this helpful and want more tips for natural wellness, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Natural Home Remedy, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.